Ever wanted to add some feature flags in your Laravel app? Today, we will use Laravel Pennant and showcase how easy this is. Let's dive right in. First, let's go and install the package. So Composer require Laravel Pennant. Then let's go and publish a vendor. So vendor, publish, provider, Laravel Pennant, Pennant service provider. We get the configuration, Pennant BSP, and the migration. We run the migration. Let's go to the app service provider. Right feature. Let's import that. And now let's define a new editor. Let's pass the user model. And if the user is admin, this should return true. So they should have access to the feature. Let's go to our user. Let's add a very basic is admin. Let's set it to false to begin with. Let's go to our dashboard. Remove everything from here and add the feature helper, new editor. Let's close that. And let's add h1 saying, hello, new editor. Now let's open up our browser. Let's register. And we see that we cannot see the h1 at the moment. If we go ahead and run for the user with ID of 3 feature, activate new editor, and we go back to our database, the value turns true. And now the user has access as a new editor. If we go to our database, we'll see that we have the feature, a new editor for the user with the ID of 3, and the value is set to false. So if we now go ahead and run user with ID of 3, activate for the new editor, and go back to our database and refresh, we'll see that now the value is set to true. And if we refresh here as well, we can see that we can now see the h1. And just like that, we get powerful feature flags without any complexity. Double tap if you learned something new today and follow for more.